To our college calculus. Today our topic for today is calculating limits using the limit law. We have one problem here. Use the limit laws and the graph of and G to evaluate it of f and g. To evaluate the following limit, this is our problem. Limit x when x approach to -2, f of x plus phi of g of x. Okay, this is our problem for today. Very simple problem. So before to solve the problem, let me explain phi limits law. Okay, so the limits law. The limit law is suppose that C, okay, is a constant. Okay, a constant, and the limit is let's write this. It's a limit f of x when x approach to 8. Okay, and limit when x approach to a so gx. Okay, that's how the limit is low. So then existing okay, let's write the first one. So the first law is a limit when x approach to a, and it's in this way: fx plus gx. So we equals limit when x approach to 8. So fx plus limit x approach to 8 as gx. So this is sum law. This is sum law. All right. So number 2. Let's do number 2. Number 2 is limit when x approach to 8 is in this way. So fx minus gx, right? This equals limit when x approach to 8. All right. Fx and then minus limit when x approach to 8 as gx. So this is difference law. Okay, difference right. So difference law. So number 2. Number 3. Let's do number 3. I will explain today only 5. Limit x approach to 8 is in this way: c f times x. When c of fx is equals c limit when x approach to 8 fx. So this is Constant multiple law. Constant multiple law. All right, look this, number 3. So number 4, let's do number 4. Limit law number 4. So limit x approach to 8 is in this way. F of x times x gx is equals limit when x approach to 8, limit of fx when x approach to 8 times limit gx when x approach to 8. Right? This is product law. All right, so that's a number 4. Let's do a number 5. Number 5 is the limit of fx divided by gx when x approach to 8. Okay, this will be equals limit of fx when x approach to 8, right? So limit divided by limit of gx when x approach to 8, right? This is if limit of gx is different of 0. This is when x approach to 8. This is a quotient limit or quotient law. Right? So you have the 5, right now we know 5 limit law, okay? With this 5 limit law, we are able to find the answer to that problem, okay? So our problem is the solution. Okay, solution of problem. So in the graph, suppose we saw F and G, we see that is limit of f of x equals 1 when x approach to -2. All right, and then the next one, limit of gx, we have fx and gx is equals -1 when x approach to -2. All right, we have that information. So therefore we have, so now easy to solve, okay? So now let's solve the problem. Now with that information, so right here, limit when x approach of course -2, all right? We will have fx, right, plus 5g of x, okay? Then this is will be equals to fx, all right, when x approach to -2 plus, right, limit of what? Limit of 5g of x, all right, when x here, when x approach to -2. All right. So then will be c equals limit. You see limit when x approach to -2. So now simplifying this is f of x, all right, plus phi limit of g of x g of x when x here, when x approach to -2. All right. Here the limit low 3. We are working here. We are approaching here limit low number 3. Remember the 3? We explained it, the 3. Okay. So now this is equals, will be equals here. If you simplify this, we are going to have 1 equals 1. So here is 1 plus 5 times -1, right? -1. This is equals -4, right? This is our solution to our problem. This is our solution. It's a limit low number 3. So this is the solution for the, it says use the limit, use low on the graph on the f of the g to evaluate the Fourier limit. Okay, this is the problem here. This is our problem. And the solution is -4.